Okay, welcome back. So we talk about types of copywriting. Okay, there are many types of copywriting. So let's look at some of them. Okay, so number one is marketing copywriting. Marketing copywriting. Okay, this marketing copywriting focuses on promoting product or services to meet consumer needs. Okay, just for marketing purpose. Okay, it includes advertisement, email campaign, billboard, and brochures. Okay, so all these are just know that the aim is to influence purchasing decision through persuasive language. Okay, so that is marketing copywriting. All right then. So number two is creative copywriting. So creative copywriting emphasizes storytelling and emotional engagement. All right, it's used slogans, jingles, and branding campaign. Okay, it's used in slogans, jingles, and branding campaign. Okay, example include memorable ad campaign or video commercials. So let me explain this. No, it is creative. Creative copywriting is creative because it involves storytelling. The aim is to uh, it's to make you emotional, as it to connect to you emotionally. Okay, just like when you watch some ads, you remember the ad. Probably they use some languages or maybe music or story that gets you connected to the ad. Okay, so it is used in slogans, jingles, branding campaigns. Okay, the aim is just to connect to you emotionally and make the ad memorable. Okay, so that you don't forget, like when you watch the video ad or you see ads created in form of music. So you know all these things are copywriting. Okay, because when you see ad on TV, music on TV, but the music is in form of ad. Okay, but they are singing and displaying product and all that. They are just connecting with you emotionally, and all those stuff were actually written by copywriters. Okay, they've studied the audience. They know the kind of thing that will resonate with them, and they create something. They create a music with information and language that will connect with them emotionally. Okay, so that's creative copywriting. Then the next one is SEO copywriting. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, it's optimized for search engines to improve online visibility. It incorporates keywords naturally while maintaining readability. It is found in blogs, website pages, and online articles. Yes, SEO is all about writing in such a way to make your pages or your website or your landing pages to be visible on search engines. Like when people are searching for a product that you are selling in your website, okay, then they can easily get to, I mean, your website content will show on Google. So when they click on it on search engine, not only Google Place, and on various search engines. So when people click on the product, on the link of your product, they will get to the product and possibly buy from you. So the idea is to make the content of your website visible on different search engines so that you get customers from different search engines. When people search for your product, your own can possibly appear at the first page of the search engine. Okay, so that is SEO copywriting. Okay, so when you are writing, like when you have a website or when somebody employs you to serve as an SEO copywriting, your work is to check all the content of the website to make sure that they are SEO friendly, that they are connected to probably what people are most likely going to be searching on search engine. So it is your duty to write the content that will be in the website, content that will be on the home page of the website, and content that will even be in the products page. of the website or service page, okay, where the services rendered in the website will show. You make sure that it is written in such a way that it reflects what people are most likely going to be writing or searching when they're typing what they want in the search engine. Okay, that's all about what this SEO copywriting is about. So it is mostly used in blogs, in websites, and online articles. Okay, then the next one is social media copywriting. It is tailored for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It includes caption, posts, hashtags, and ad designed for engagement. It requires concise, conversational language. So this for social media. Okay, in social media, you talk about capturing people's attention. Okay, so social media copywriting aims at capturing people's attention. So it focuses on writing catchy captions, okay, and using hashtags, okay, and using it for social media advertisement to I mean for engagement, okay, to generate engagement in your page, in your social media pages and all. So usually it's usually concise and conversational. You write it in such a way that people will relate to you as if you are talking to them personally. So you are going to write it as if you're talking with those people personally. You understand? So that's social media copywriting. So as we are moving now, you can now see that copywriting actually covers almost all areas of life. You need copywriting in any field of life. Okay, so the next one is direct response copywriting. It is designed It is designed to prompt immediate action. Okay, designed to prompt immediate action like buy now, sign up. Common in email campaign, landing pages, and sales letters. Often uses urgency or exclusivity to drive conversion. Yeah. So direct response copywriting is aimed at making audience to buy the product now or to subscribe to whatever you are talking about now. Okay, some other copywriting might be just to maybe generate engagement on social media, okay, or to inform people about a certain product so that probably when they go out there, they will remember the product. Anytime they need the product, they will buy. You understand? But this particular direct response copywriting is specifically talking about, making whoever that is reading it buy the product now. You understand? So this is usually found on landing pages. Like if you've ever visited a landing page, maybe you saw an ad on Facebook and you clicked on it, it leads you to a page where you're going to see information about what the ad is talking about and the persuasive nature of it, and where you are meant to click to buy now or to subscribe or to do whatever they want you to do. That is an example of direct response copywriting. They want you to perform the action now. So the next one is website copywriting. It focuses on homepage content, landing pages, and call to actions. Okay, aims to guide visitors through the site and encourage specific actions like sign up or purchases. So this website copywriting is specifically for websites. Okay, content of the website. As this website copywriter works with a web developer. Okay, so he write everything that is going to be in the website, on the home page of the website, the product page, and everything, every text, every information that's going to be on the website. It is the duty of the website copywriter to prepare it. So the idea is to ensure that when somebody visits the website, the person gets interested in the product or in whatever the website is about immediately. So a website that doesn't have a well crafted copy, when people visit the website, they might not actually know exactly what to do immediately they land on the website. But with a good copywriting skill, when somebody lands on the website, when somebody visits a particular website, the moment the person enters that website, the person instantly know, first of all, what the website is about, and what to do, steps to follow. Okay, because with the way the information is going to be, the way the copy is crafted on the website, person immediately know, okay, I'm going to click on a certain button, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that to get to my destination. So that is the work of a copywriter, to do that. Okay, I mean, especially website copywriters. So the next one is technical copywriting. Technical copywriting provides detailed and accurate information about complex products or services. It includes manuals, product guides, and white papers. Requires expertise in the subject matter. So this technical copywriting is specifically for experts in the field. Okay, if you're just a normal copywriter, you might not do justice to this, because it needs detailed analysis of the particular product. Okay, and it's only expert knows the product inside out. Okay, so it's used to write manual, like after creating a product, you need the product to have a manual. So it's just the work of the technical copywriters to write the content. Okay, and the provide product guides and the white paper for the product. Okay, so like I said, whoever that is mm, okay, like I said, well, I mean, whoever that is going to write technically is going to be an expert in that field. Okay, then the next is public relations copywriting, PR, public relations copywriting. Um, the job of a public relations copywriting is to shape the brand's image through press releases and corporate communications. Focuses on building trust and maintaining a positive reputation. Okay, so this is just focusing on maintaining the reputation of the company. So if you're a PR, so your job is to write on social media, talk about the positive, I mean, try to build a positive image of your company, the company you are representing. Okay. Then product copywriting. It highlights features and benefits of specific products or services. Okay, found in product description, packaging, text, and email listings. So like when you visit an online shop, so you go to product description, so the content you see there is supposed to be written by a product copywriter. So this is where the detail of the product is described. Okay, so that's basically it. Then brand copywriting builds a brand identity and emotional connection with its audience. Goes beyond selling to create lasting impression through tone and storytelling. So this for copywriting is brand copywriting is focuses on building the brand identity. Okay, trying to make to internalize the identity of that brand in the minds of the audience. Okay, so that the moment you hear of that brand, you know exactly what the brand is about. Okay, and they immediately feel the impression, as in the impression created by that brand in your life. You understand? So the aim is to build the brand identity, and they connect the users of that brand emotionally to the brand. Okay, so if you are going to be writing for as a brand identity copywriter, so you know that your aim is to connect the users of your brand to the usefulness of that brand in such a way that they will become super fans of that brand, and they will always remember the brand whenever they need the service. Okay, then email copywriting. used for newsletters, promotions, and drip campaigns. Okay, drip campaigns like sending people automated messages, email messages. Okay, and eventually just to build trust, to connect with them, and eventually maybe selling product to them. Okay, so it aims to nurture leads, drives sales through personalized communication. So this is just for email. Okay, email copywriting is quite important because every company, every business needs email. I mean, usually they need email marketing. Okay, so if you're going to work as an email marketer for a business owner, you should learn email copywriting. You know how to create email that will resonate with people when they're reading it. Okay, it's all about email. Okay, sending email, newsletters, and all that. How you're going to organize it, how you're going to write it, and connect with the readers, with the audience. Okay, so this what you need to know about email copywriting. I think this is where we draw a curtain to types of copywriting. Just know that in this course, we are going to learn. We are going to have a general idea of what copywriting is about, and the moment once you are done with this course, you'll be able to create a powerful ad copy that will resonate with the audience. So, if eventually you are employed for to manage a brand or to be an email copywriter, or to be a product copywriter or a PR or a website copywriter, then with the knowledge you are going to get here will help you a lot to advance your career. Just know that we keep learning with the knowledge you're going to learn here. Then you might also need to add one or two knowledge to make it specific to the particular branch of copywriting you want to focus on. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, so but if you pay attention, actually we'll have a whole lot here, a whole lot that will help you as much as you can, as long as you're focused. It will help you a lot to learn a lot and start writing persuasively. Thank you so much.